We're trying to retain length. We need to keep our hair strands strong because we ain't about that dry life. We ain't doing the dryness around here. All right, stop with that. If you're doing that, stop it. There's no excuses. That's what I'm trying to say. You're giving your hair a fighting chance of hanging on for dear life. Stay on track. Hello, lovely. Welcome or welcome back to another video. I hope you're well. In today's video, I'm going to be detailing how you are able to smash your hair goals by getting past that dreadful hair plateau. Well, it's not dreadful. It used to be for me when I was kind of stuck just right here. I'm about to teach you how to get past that, okay? So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is you need to start heavily focusing on your scalp and your ends. So what I like to do is make sure that I am hydrating and moisturizing my scalp every 2 days. To some people, this can seem a little bit much. You are not giving your scalp or your ends a chance, not a fighting chance to get dry, because we ain't about that dry life. We ain't doing the dryness around here, all right? And we're not going to just use plain water, babe. Stop with that. If you're doing that, stop it. We're going to use effective ways of hydrating our hair and our scalp. And if you are unsure how to do this, there is a link below in the description to some of my favorite recipes that I've been using for nearly 2 years now and that have given me amazing results and helped me to keep on continuously retaining length. It's going to help you out massively when it comes to hydration. Your scalp, okay, your hair follicles are going to produce some healthy, strong hair, and you're going to be able to retain all of that new growth by looking after the ends of your hair. And you're not going to give it a chance to get dry, because once it starts getting dry, it's going to start to break. Every 2 days, babe. This one's boring. Just letting you know that from now. It's boring. Low manipulation styling. You've heard it before. You didn't want to take it in. You were like, nah, I ain't about that life. You got to be about that life, babe. You got to have your hands out of your hair. It's the only way. Well, it's probably not the only way. It's probably not. But it does make retaining your length a whole lot easier when you are not in your hair. I mean, I did a 6-month challenge and I saw incredible results. I'll have that video linked right here. You can see the results for yourself, okay? I did low manipulation styles on my hair during that 6 months for about 70% of the time. It was supposed to be 100. I was supposed to do it for 100% of the time, but I didn't. And it still worked because I still had my hands out of my hair for the majority of the time. So please do consider doing low manipulation styling. I have a video where I take you through day by day for a whole week so you can see exactly how I manage my hair and what I do to my hair and my scalp on a regular basis in order for me to retain my length. So I'll leave that video linked below in the description for you. Please check it out if you want to see how to look after your hair when it's in a low manipulation style, and look after it. When I say look after it, I mean holistically, okay? Only natural ingredients. But yes, low manipulation styles will be your best friend to smash that hair plateau. All right, I know you don't want to hear it, but you got to wash weekly. I know there's going to be some people like, nah, 2 weeks is good for me. But babe, I have a new way for you to be able to wash at least once a week. I'd say twice a week, because I'm on this twice a week thing now and it's working out even better than the once a week. But at the very least, wash your hair once a week. Now, if you want to amp it up a little bit, wash it twice. And I have a video showing you how you are able to wash your hair in 20 minutes. Get it washed. It will be conditioned. It will be put in a low manipulation style. It will be done within 20 minutes. I know you don't believe me, but I've done a video on it. So I'll link that video down below for you to check out as well. Wash your hair often. Keep your scalp clean so that it will grow that hair out even quicker than it would do if you weren't washing your hair every week. Honestly, it makes a massive difference. I've shown the progress of how quickly my hair has been growing here on my channel. If you watch all of my videos, you'll see it for yourself. And a lot of that is to do with washing my hair often. Strengthening treatments need to be your best friend, okay? If you're not already doing them. I use henna on my hair every single 4 weeks because it really does help to prevent my hair from breaking. I also use cassia every 2 weeks because that's another strengthening conditioning herb that I like to use to keep my hair strong. But if you are using these herbs, you're going to notice the difference with the strength of your hair. We're trying to retain length, so we need to keep our hair strands strong. We need to have the good balance of strength and moisture. So don't just be thinking about using your shea butter and your oils and all of that good stuff. You need to add in some strengthening components in there as well. And I highly recommend the Curly Proverbs Pro Strength Henna Powder. And I also recommend the Cassia from Henna Souk. Those are the ones that I like to use. If you are someone that's like, nah, I ain't down for the henna, I don't want it changing my hair color, I don't want it loosening my curl pattern, blah, 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 don't worry about it. Just stick to Cassia because you're going to get the same results. You're going to get that same strength from using Cassia as well. There's no excuses. That's what I'm trying to say. There's no excuses. You could use a really good strengthening treatment that's going to give your hair strands the strength that it needs in order for you to retain your length. All right, this one's going to take some time for you to get used to, but you need to do a hot oil treatment every single wash day, preferably every single week. It's going to help you with moisture retention. If you are able to retain the moisture in your hair, you're giving your hair a fighting chance of hanging on for dear life. You want those hair strands, especially those ends, to stay intact. So if you do hot oil treatments, it's going to allow for your hair to really retain that moisture, and that's what you want. That's going to help you to see more length, which means you're going to smash that hair plateau. Be disciplined. Stay on track. Don't go walking off onto the sidelines, all right? We want to stay focused on the task ahead. We want to be consistent. How are you going to do that? By using a natural hair planner, and it's linked below. And if you watch this video next, you are going to see that by putting all of these things into practice, that you are going to be able to get your desired results. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next one. Take care.